Losing track of AI coding agents? Afraid of Git mistakes? You don't have to be. Simplify Git and AI agents with GitKraken Desktop, your control center for code flow. Run Claude Code, Copilot, and more side by side. See what each agent changed in one graph. Turn messy AI work into commits worth reviewing. Auto-resolve conflicts with AI confidence scores. You stay focused, your team stays unblocked. GitKraken Desktop. Download for free today.